Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, that is the landform of India. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different landforms of India. We have Great Himalaya Plain, Northern Plain, Desert, right? Plateau. These are the different landforms. So children, do you know what India is a very big country? It's 7th largest country in the world. And 1/6 of the population, total world population, वो कहाँ लाई करके India. So it's a country, यहाँ पे आपके 1 billion people है and it is second most populous country. Right? Great Himal. यहाँ पे आपके क्या लाई करते हैं? Great Himal. This part here lies the Great Himal. Right? Look at the map. Great mountain range extending from west to east. इसको हम हिमालय कहते हैं, which means a drop of snow. Why it is known as a drop of snow? Because it is covered with the snow throughout the year. Right? Children, have you seen the snow-covered peaks of Himalaya? Yes, when we look at the Mount Everest, ये highest peak है. Many foreign tourists come to see its beauty. And where it is located? ये देखो यहाँ पे आपको दिख भी रहा होगा, ये आपका नेपाल के पास लोकेटेड है. Now, the highest mountain peak in India is K2, जिसका नाम है Mount Godwin, which in the state of Kashmir. It's a great natural wall in the north of the country. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी rivers है, गंगा, यमुना, Indus, Satluj, Brahmaputra, they flow down. कौन कौन सी river flow down करती है? That you have to keep in mind. Now children, have you ever been a hill station during summer? Like we have many hill stations like Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling, Manali, Simla. So we can say that the lower part of Himalayas are covered with thick forests. These forests provide useful timber. We also get many herbal medicines from trees and plants that are found in the Himalayas. So beside the lofty Himalaya, there are many hills in different parts of our country. You can see Aramli Hill, जो आपके नॉर्थ वेस्ट में मतलब बिटवीन राजस्थान एंड हुडे. Mount Abu, it's a famous hill station of these hills, and Sakura, Vindhyas and Mahadar Hills, they are the important hills in central part. गारो खासी जनपिया, ये आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में लाई करते हैं. नीलगिरी जो है वो इम्पोर्टेंट हिल है आपकी साउथ की. Have you heard about the name Upi? That is Udgmandalam, right? So it is a famous hill station. कहाँ का है ऊटी? आपका साउथ, right? It is of south. Now Great Northern Plains, ठीक है, it's a fertile area, flat land है. Large number of population reside over here only. The rivers flows down from the Himalayas and deposit fertile soil. और इस plain को हम Indo-Gangetic plain भी कहते हैं, right? Then we have Southern Plateau, which is triangular in shape. ठीक है, it's surrounded by water on 3 sides. यहाँ पे आपका Arabian Sea, यहाँ पे आपका Bay of Bengal, यहाँ पे आपका Indian Ocean, right? That is surrounded by triangular shape. देख तो ये 3 sides से sea से surrounded है. Arabian Sea, west में Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Peninsula. ठीक है? So the land which is surrounded by water on the 3 sides, it is called peninsula. So Deccan Plateau, it is a peninsular plateau. It is the area of almost flat land but higher than plains. It is surrounded by hills and mountains. We have narrow coastal plains on the seacoast, which is 600 kilometer in length. कितना है? 600 kilometer. Right? Deccan Plateau is rich in mineral. Main river जो आपकी साउथ इंडिया की है वो महानदी, गोदावरी, कावेरी, नर्मदा एंड ताप्ती. ठीक है, नर्मदा और ताप्ती बिग रिवर है और ये फ्लो करती है और कहाँ गिरती है? अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, अरेबियन सी. और सारी कहाँ गिरती है? बे ऑफ बंगाल. Now Great Desert, that is Thar Desert. So in the northwestern part of India, if we talk about, we have large area covered with sand and with little or no water. इसको हम Thar Desert कहते हैं. Indian desert is called Thar Desert, right? Children, you might seen the camels. Camels को क्या बोला जाता है? Ship of desert बोला जाता है. ठीक है, they live without food and water for many days. क्या करते हैं? अपने hump में store कर लेते हैं. Now islands of India, we have group of island, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. Andaman and Nicobar Island, where it lies in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, it lies in Arabian Sea, right? So if we talk about climate, climate कैसा है आपका? So children, you have seen that there is a great variety in the landscape of India. The climate of India also varies from place to place. The climate is very cold in northern mountains, and in northern plains, it's very cold in winter and very hot in summer. But in South India, mainly in the, if we talk about coastal plain, climate कैसा होता है? Moderate होता है. We have extremely cold place like Ladakh in Jammu and Kashmir, which is very hot place like the Thar Desert. Some area like northeast region. और अगर हम बात करें वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन की, वहाँ पे जो रेनफॉल होती है बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो मासिंगला ऐसा स्टेट है मेघालय का जहाँ पे बारिश क्या होती है थ्रू आउट द ईयर होती है. And sometimes there is no rain on the Thar Desert of the Rajasthan. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.